So I bought this and I wanted to buy a couple more. I asked the guy, he's like, oh, you're lucky there's only one. I'm like, okay, why am I lucky for a $10 knife, right? Hey everybody, welcome to Teo's Take. I just wanted to share something quickly in this video with you. This morning I went to Walmart for grocery shopping. So I told myself maybe I should go ahead and check out the outdoor department and electronics and automotive and all that, just like everybody else does when they go to Walmart if they get bored. Anyway, so I told myself, let me go ahead and buy a knife, for my car, for my truck. Anyway, I'm not a knife guy. I have no clue about knives other than they cut. You can put them in your pocket and things like that. So I usually buy $3-5 knives for my car. I use them a couple of years and lose them, break them, whatever. Go buy another one. So I gave myself a limit $10. So I looked around. I saw some knives and I came across with this orange knife. I thought it was super cool. I never had a knife with an orange handle. So I asked the guy, can you get this out of the box for me? And so he took it out. He unlocked the thing and he took it out. And then he told me, you're so lucky. I'm surprised there's even one left. These things are so popular, we can't keep them on the shelf. I'm like, wow, really? What's so big deal about it? Well, turns out it's this knife. It's this particular Walmart knife has a major cult following to it. So I had no idea. I told the guy if he can find a couple more in the back and stuff, I'll definitely buy it. He's like, definitely, trust me. If you don't have one in the back, there is no back. Anyway, so I bought the knife. I brought it home, and I got really curious. I told myself I'm going to go ahead and check this over the internet. So I went on the Walmart website first and looked around. This thing is $9.97. I mean, it's right up there on top of my limit of $10. But anyway, so it's called, it's a 7.5-inch folding knife manufactured by a company named Ozark Trail. And one cool thing about this knife is, other than injection molded, this orange awesome handle with a steel clip in the back, is it's a DQ high carbon steel blade. This blade apparently a big deal. I had no idea. Again, I'm learning. So bear with me on this. So I checked the Walmart website. I did a search to see who else has it in Nebraska, because I really like the orange handle thing. And I kind of got intrigued by the guy saying, hey, you're lucky you found one, blah, blah, blah. So I went ahead and looked everywhere. Nobody in state of Nebraska has one of these knives. I think apparently I bought the last one at Walmart. And also I checked Iowa, Missouri, Kansas City, none of them. No Walmart has it. So kind of a special knife, huh? Well, anyway, this knife, later on I researched it. I checked the YouTube, I checked the Google and everything. Turns out this knife has a, again, major cult following. And it's actually I don't want to say copy. It's like a replica or a comparable to something called Benchmade Bug Out Knife Series. So that knife, that Benchmade Bug Out Series knife, costs almost $160, $200 depending upon where you buy from. But anyway, this thing is only $9.97. You can buy 16 or 20 of these for the price of one Benchmade knife. Let's go ahead and take this out of this little case and open it together. After all, I do box openings here anyway. Here's a little blade tip protector, and here's the knife. It's a very cool knife. Again, orange handle. Feels very sharp. And there's this little lock mechanism here to fold it. So when you pull it back, it drops the blade. And here's a little trick I just taught myself. You kind of pull it down, let it go, and boom, it opens up. It's really cool. I'm going to keep this in my truck. I have other knives, like I have this little Glidesman I picked up from Menards for like $3. It's a cute little knife. I usually open my Amazon box and things like that with this. So anyway, Here's the comparison to this $3 Glidsman, this $9.97 Walmart Ozark Trail. I like this one, the mechanism in this one. Apparently it has a ball bearing. It has little edges over here, and I like this closing mechanism too. Feels very light. Believe it or not, I weighed this thing. It's less than 3 ounces, 2.7 some ounces. And the whole knife is 7.5 inch long when it's open, and the blade length is 3.25 inches. And again, this is DQ high steel, high carbon steel blade. So those knife guys out there, you know who you are. You know what I'm talking about, because I don't. To me, it's an awesome looking orange knife. I'm gonna see if I can find more. I want to get one for my brother and for a couple of buddies of mine. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. And I want to get another one for my other vehicle. I really like this orange knife. And all in all, I'm very lucky, I guess. I found one of these. And I'm definitely treasuring this little knife. And also, I'm going to go ahead and drop a link from Walmart to the description of this video. So maybe you'll get lucky like I did. You'll find one in your local Walmart. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And I have a new knife. I'm very happy.